a picturesque landscape of the Taj Mahal during sunrise. Namaste. Welcome to today's video, where we'll take you on an exciting journey to explore the wonders of India. From vibrant culture to stunning landmarks, India never fails to captivate its visitors. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin our adventure. A bustling street in Delhi. We kick off our journey in Delhi, the heart of India. This bustling capital city offers a blend of ancient traditions and modern marvels. From the iconic Red Fort to the serene Lotus Temple, Delhi embraces history at every corner. Colorful Holi Festival. One of India's most vibrant festivals is Holi. During this joyous celebration, people come together to throw colorful powders and water at each other, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. It's an unforgettable experience filled with laughter and a sense of unity. Elephants in Jaipur. As we move to the city of Jaipur, known as the Pink City, we discover its majestic forts and palaces. Here, you can ride on magnificent elephants up to the Amber Fort, and witness the grandeur of Indian royalty. Varanasi Ghats. Next on our journey is Varanasi, the spiritual capital of India. This sacred city is situated on the banks of the sacred Ganges River. It's a place where life and death meet. Thousands of devotees gather daily to perform religious rituals and witness the enchanting Ganga Aarti ceremony, a spectacle of light and devotion. Tea plantations in Darjeeling. Now let's sip a cup of India's finest tea in the serene town of Darjeeling. Located in West Bengal, Darjeeling is famous for its sprawling tea plantations, enveloped by rolling hills. The breathtaking views and aromatic tea make it a paradise for nature lovers. Ranthambore National Park. India is also home to incredible wildlife. Ranthambore National Park, nestled in the state of Rajasthan, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. This tiger reserve is known for its Royal Bengal tigers, giving you a chance to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Bollywood dance sequence. When it comes to entertainment, India knows how to captivate an audience. Bollywood, the world's largest film industry, produces colorful and melodramatic movies that showcase vibrant dance sequences and music that'll have you on your feet. Street food. Let's not forget India's rich culinary heritage. From the mouth-watering street food like chaat and vada pav to the flavorsome biryanis and butter chicken, Indian cuisine is a delightful journey for your taste buds. The blend of aromatic spices is what makes it truly extraordinary. Closing shot of diverse Indian people. India is a land of diversity, where people from different religions, cultures, and backgrounds come together as one. It's a country that teaches us the beauty of coexistence and the importance of celebrating our differences. Thank you for joining me on this whirlwind tour of India. There are many more things to tell about this country. Try to visit India if possible. I hope this glimpse into its wonders has ignited your curiosity to explore this incredible country. Until next time, Dhanyavad, thank you, and stay curious.